there, friends. Today, we're going to talk about 7 key components of an effective cover letter. 1. First up, start strong by introducing yourself and highlighting your connection to the company or position you're applying for. 2. Next, focus on the specific job you're applying for and explain why you're the perfect match for that role. 3. Moving on, share your experience and why it makes you stand out from other candidates. 4. Now, it's time to showcase your skills and accomplishments to illustrate how you could contribute to the company's success if hired. 5. Highlight your expertise in relevant software or tools used by the company, if applicable. 6. Finally, express your enthusiasm for the job opportunity and briefly explain why you want this particular position. Keep in mind that most cover letters are read within 10 seconds, so don't worry about writing a novel. 7. Lastly, end with a professional sign-off that leaves a positive impression on the reader. Remember to send your cover letter with a resume attached as a separate document or in the body of the email. No PDFs, please. And voila, you've nailed it. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more awesome content like this one. See you next time.